The squad finally made it to the end spot. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4 M's in our squad. Starting to sound like 21 Savage song. All these M's. Yeah, my GoPro actually died, but for once I came a little bit prepared. I got another battery with me, but it only has like 30% battery life, so still better than nothing, because the ride was so long and the GoPro just ended up dying like probably like more than halfway through the ride. All the M's, it looks so weird. The ride was kind of alright. It was fun for like, I don't know, the first like 10-15 minutes, and then it's kind of like a sun ride. I thought it was just like a ride, not a sun ride, you know, just regular like cruising, you know, people do whatever the hell they want, but apparently it turned out to be like a full-on stunt ride. So everyone's going like hella slow and shit like that, which is not that fun on these big bikes. So yeah, it was fun for the first little bit, and then I kind of got over it. I was like, come on, let's just get to the end spot, or like, you know, some smackdowns, or, you know, let's go a little faster. So I got over it by the end. But yeah, I was saying, it's gonna be raining for like the next 1-2 weeks, so wanted to go out, film some content for you guys. And you know, it is a beautiful day to ride, and I bet if we're gonna have more fun now riding back than we had on the like that massive group ride. But you know, it's something a little different. Oh yes, baby. This is what this bike is built for. I really miss taking this bike to the track. That was a lot of fun back then. I think my next track session is gonna be around March, hopefully, depending on how I'm healing and shit. What the hell is that car doing? maybe I shouldn't. I want to film them, that's why I let them go ahead of me. But maybe I shouldn't have, because now everyone's getting rocks kicked all over my knees. We already lost one. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, support. My GoPro died again. Ride safe and never give up. Later, guys.